సార్ నమస్కారం సార్. ఈరోజు మనం టీసాట్ లైవ్ కార్యక్రమంలో ఉన్నాం సార్. అయితే మా యొక్క వ్యూవర్స్కి సంబంధించి సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఆఫ్ కర్ణాటక అందిస్తున్నటువంటి కోర్సులు, అదేవిధంగా సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీ యొక్క కర్ణాటక యొక్క ప్రత్యేకతలు మీరు వివరిస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాం సార్.
సెంట్రల్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఆఫ్ కర్ణాటక ఇది కలబుర్గిలో ఉంది. ఇది హైదరాబాద్ నుండి 250 కిలోమీటర్ల దూరంలో ఉంటుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఇప్పుడు జైరాబాదు దగ్గరలో ఉంటుంది. ఇటు పరిగి, తాండూరు వీటికి కూడా దగ్గరలో ఉంటుంది. సో కాబట్టి ఇది తెలంగాణకే, హైదరాబాదుకు తెలంగాణకు చాలా దగ్గరలో ఉన్న కేంద్ర విశ్వవిద్యాలయము. ఇక్కడ మొత్తం 35 programs we are offering. That is the sciences, chemistry, physics, mathematics, geology, geography, botany, zoology, genetics and genomics, statistics and data analytics. We science programs దీంతో పాటు masters in library and information science, MTech, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and MTech in ECE, MTech in electrical engineering, then MED, B.Ed. B.Ed is one of the best department in the CUT, the Karnataka Central University. MBA Tourism and Travel Management, MA Economics, MCom Banking and Financial Technology, then MSc Psychology, Master of Social Work, MA History and Archaeology, MA Public Administration, Master of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication, LLM 2 years program, then languages English, Hindi, linguistics, Kannada, even we have the fine arts, that is vocal music, tabla, painting, MA painting. These are all the programs we are offering for the students, and these are, we are maintaining very good quality. And also we have the full-fledged teachers in all the departments. You cannot find such a full-fledged teachers in any of the state universities nowadays. And we have the very best, one of the best, the sophisticated instrumentation lab provided with the latest equipment with state of arts. That will be very useful for the science and engineering students to train their skills. And also every department is provided with the computer lab, because nowadays the computer is also part of our curriculum to expose our students to the latest technology. And we have the very good library with state-of-art facilities. It is a digital library, as well as we can find hardbound books. And also the One Nation One Subscription is also implemented. That is, all the topmost journals are available in our library. Students can also visit. It is 24 hours. It is available for the students to go to the library and utilize these facilities. And we have the very good hostels, because for to stay the students, the hostel is most important. We are providing accommodation to everyone. Very beautiful and atmosphere in the campus, very greenery atmosphere, and we have the good playgrounds. So it is very suitable for the all-round development of the students. So therefore, all these facilities are available in the campus. And once the student comes into the campus, there is no need to go to anywhere, and it is the best suited for the academics and to develop their career. And also we conduct several national importance programs, and every department is conducting the seminars, symposia to facilitate the students to expose to the international and national level. and also students also coming from the different states. It is a symbol of nation integrity. And also the students can participate in any of the competitions. We are encouraging them to go to the different competitions for exposure. So like this, we are providing all the best of art for the students' benefit. And also in the curriculum, we have implemented National NEP 2020, and we are giving more focus to the skill development, because the students need employability skills after completion of program. That's why we are offering the employment skills. So, and also we have the placement cell, and the placement cell even the students also have an opportunity to get the placements. That also we are providing as our part of curriculum. The one final semester will be dedicated to the research only. So that is, students will be oriented towards the research in the PG itself. So because they have to, if they go for the PhD programs, definitely this will be helpful to them. And also we are conducting some special classes for the NET examination, because once the students get qualifying the NET examination, they can pursue their further academics. So therefore, this is the best university which is nearer to the Telangana. It is not far away. So therefore, students, now this entrance test already commenced. Applications are already started for inviting the applications from December 14th up to January 14th, the last date for submission of applications. And students should utilize, those who are in the final year of UG program can be applied. And also we are, those who are coming with BSc honors, BA, BSc, UG honors, we are also offering the 1 year PG program also. So these are the programs which are available in the Central Karnataka. So therefore, the students who want to develop their academic career, then can choose the Central Karnataka for their all-round development.